Hi everybody. I thought I'd go through one of these proofs and let you see what kind of thinking process I go through. This is 81C number 8. And you've got four premises. If C then, if T then L. Second premise, not L. Third, if not E, then C. And the fourth is either L or not E. And the conclusion that you're supposed to get to out of this is not T. Now the first thing I do is I don't try to just jump in. I try to look at the whole problem and get some kind of orientation or see where things might be going. Now see, I want to get to not T, and I see that T is only one place in the premises. And it's in if T then L, which is a conditional inside of another conditional in the first premise. Immediately it occurs to me that maybe I'm going to try to get that if T then L by itself and do what with it? Well, maybe a modus tollens, since there's a not L in line 2. But I'm not there yet. I don't see yet how to get to if T then L. So I look around. What else might there be to do? Well, here's one thing. I see not L there, and I also see in line 4 L or not E. That looks like it's a setup for a disjunctive syllogism. Let's go ahead and try that and see where we get to. We add line 5, and we say not E. That is, that's the conclusion, and we get that from lines 2 and 4 plus the disjunctive syllogism rule. Okay, now we've gone a little bit further. Now that we've got not E there, it's pretty obvious what we can do next. We can get C. Actually, there's more than one thing we could do here. Let's do the C. Let's go for C. We've got not E, and we've got in line 3, if not E, then C. So that'll let us get to C. And then you go over there, and you say, what was that? That was line 5 for the not E, and line 3 for the if not E, then C, and that's a modus ponens. Now we've got C. Oh, and C is the antecedent for the conditional in number 1. So, now that we've got that, we can get if T then L. Oops, let's make that an arrow instead. T then L, that's using the C from line 6, and the if C then if T then L from line 1, and modus ponens again. Alright, now you've got if T then L. And now we're almost all the way home. We've already talked about how to do this. The next step is just, we've got not L and if T then L. So all we need to do is say not T by modus tollens. That's from line 7 and 2 and modus tollens. And that'll give us the answer. Now, let's take a look at checking the proof and see what Logic Tutor has to say. And there we have it. No errors were found in the proof. Now, rather than go on, I'm going to go back briefly and show you something else. I said let's do it one way, but there's actually another way we could have done it. We could actually have shortened a step. We got to the if not E, then C, and then we got from that to if T, then L. But we could have left out a step. If you go here, you see line 6 there? we could have done something else. Instead of line 6, let me see if I can do this right. Instead of line 6, the way we did it, I'm going to move this down here where it's out of the way. Instead of line 6, the way we did it, we could have used hypothetical syllogism there and gone directly from line 3. If not E, then C, and then if C, then if T, then L. We could have gone directly to if not E, then T, then L. You see how that works? That's just using line 3 and line 1 and the hypothetical syllogism rule to put those two together. And if you've done that, then you can go back and you can say directly, line 7, if T, then L. Actually, let's see, how would we do that? Actually, let's just move up. Let's move this right back up here. We'll say if T, then L, and we get that from 6 and 5. Oops. 6 and 5 this time by modus ponens. And then, no, line 8, we get not T again. Same way. And let's check the proof this way. We've done it again. The point is, there may be more than one way to do it. However, either way is just fine. We've done it. We've completed the proof without errors.